Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review these 4-pack solar pathway lights. These are mainly for outdoor and I got these sent out for review. This is how they look like, and it has 2 different modes that you can set up, okay? So I'm gonna show you what it includes in the box. It has these 4 lights for the outdoor, also the stakes, and some like extensions that you can use if you want them to be like taller. Okay, this is how they look like. You can set it up in 2 modes from here. Okay, on the inside, on the lid of the lights, you can just change the switch to the side, and here you set it up as color, and the other is just for white mode. Okay, it is really nice to see these lights. You can see that they may serve you as decoration on the pathway, or also just to illuminate the pathway as well. It looks really nice. I am going to order another one so I can cover all the sides from this pine tree.